Welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn on the advantages of artificial intelligence. So there is a very important, a very wonderful program that can enable you to create PowerPoint slides in less than 10 minutes. So we are going to jump directly into that program, and it's called Gamma, Gamma, this one. So you just click on it, you sign up, you create an account. So once you create an account, you have an opportunity to create your slides. So what do? You come and click on this section, this create new, you just click there. So once you click there, you have three options. You can paste your text wherever you had typed your text, maybe in a certain program or on Microsoft Word. You can copy and then you paste here. You can also prompt a question. Maybe you give it a question or a title, and then artificial intelligence will generate for you the PowerPoint slides and notes, also including the pictures. You can also import a file. Maybe you have a file soft copy saved on your Google Drive. You can paste the URL and then it will collect that document. Or if you have a file in your computer, you can just upload it here and you will have your PowerPoint slides. For today's exercise, we are going to use this option that we are generating from scratch. So I'll click continue, and then we are going to prompt a question. So here is the question. I need PowerPoint, I need quality, and eye appealing PowerPoint presentation for my poultry business. Then you click generate. So when you are generating your slides, it is going to generate for you the topics and subtopics, and also the notes inclusive. Also it is going to generate for you pictures. So you come down here and then you further give it instructions. Which theme do you like? Which is your best color? So you click there, you choose a color of your choice. So you can go for a color that interests you. For instance, for my case, I'll search for green color. I'll go for this green. Then you click select the theme. So this is the theme I've selected. Then I'll come down here. I can give it instructions. Where do I want the pictures to come from? Do I need web images? Do I need stock photos? Do I need automatic? So here I can say web images. Which type of images? Images that are licensed or images that are free to use? I'll say free to use. Once you have done that, you can also say amount of text per slide, brief, medium, detailed. So I can go for medium and then I'll click generate. So it is now going to start generating slides for us. But remember, the limitations for this program is that whatever content it gives you, it is fixed. You cannot be able to make changes unless you pay for the premium package. So what you do, you just download your content, download the document by exporting it as a PDF or as a PowerPoint. Once you've downloaded it, you can now open it with PowerPoint, and then you format using the PowerPoint formatting option. So it has finished generating for us the content. Also we can see their pictures here. So the next thing we need to do now is to present. So how is the audience going to view this slide? So this is what they'll be able to view. Premier Poultry Enterprise, innovative poultry production and distribution with 25 years industry leadership. We are committed to quality and sustainable farming. So this is a presentation for poultry farming. As you can see, it has given us something to start with that we can take to PowerPoint and then do some further formatting. In case you don't like what it has generated, you can always go back and then give further instruction. For example, you go down here and say I need images from artificially intelligent images. Then you can now generate. Let's see what we shall have now as a change. So here is the notes once again. You can see now it is much better. The picture quality is much better. Also, graphs and charts are inclusive. This is now the advantage of using artificial intelligence also in making your work easier. So in case you are supposed to create quality presentation in less than 10 minutes, you don't have time, you can always go for this option. So we are going to present and see what the changes have been made. Now you can see there is a quality presentation. You can see we have the titles are well distributed, we have good pictures. Okay, so this is our PowerPoint. It's also on the process of getting everything. So once you are convinced that you have a quality presentation, the next thing you need to do is to download it. How do you download? You click on these three dots and then you click export. So you can export as a PDF or as a PowerPoint. Because you want to make some changes, always export as a PowerPoint and it will download and it will save in your computer. Once it is saved in your computer, you are now going to make some changes using the normal PowerPoint. So thank you so much for your time. That is the application of Gamma in designing quality PowerPoint slides. See you then on the next session.